shit. Working on the weekend like usual.
Oh shit.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Roger got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you fools us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
New video. Finally got my body kit from my E36. So I'm gonna prime it down, get some paint on it, and then after that, paint it black, put it on the car, and delete all that fucking damage. And I painted them black, and now I gotta add some clear coat. Show you guys what they look like painted black. So that's the passenger, and that's the driver. I'm gonna add a little bit more coat to black. This one looks like it needs it. Maybe this one too. I'm gonna add some more, and after that, clear coat goes on. So clear coat's on. It's kind of foggy in here, but yeah, clear coat's on. It looks pretty good. You can kind of see my reflection. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry, and then slap it on the car. So right now, I'm done putting it on. I just put gasket maker over the top so rain doesn't seep through. So yeah, they're both on now. Now it's just time to go take some pictures. It makes a big difference, to be honest. Yeah, look at that. Side shot of it. This is the driver's side. Passenger side. Yeah, they're both pretty good. I think I have to lower this side a little maybe. They fit pretty nice in there.